on this computer, and I'm sharing the paper. In this paper, we shall solve all the questions that are there related to quadratic functions. Any question that is there related to quadratic functions. Now let me go to section 3. In the last 5 minutes after this class, around 8:05 or 8:10, I'll give you some speech. When I say speech, means some motivational words related to. Few students got back to me saying English is difficult, that is difficult, this is difficult. No problem. Let me say my own version. Try to get motivation from it. Definitely, it will help you to get good scores. Okay. So in section 3, I could not see any question. So now let me come to section 4. In section 4, yeah, now it is more comfortable. Let me solve the questions that are there relevant to quadratic functions. Okay. Yeah. So everyone can see a question here, question number 30. Please do look into the question and try to type your answer. Please be 100% sincere. Please, even if you don't know, you try to do the best. Every concept I explained in the last class, I even uploaded the video in my YouTube part. You can watch it how many times you want. Try to get 100% hold on it, and just try to give me answer for this. Then I'll tell you what is the exact answer for this question. Please do start. Your time starts now. You have only 1 minute to answer the question. Yeah, it is more clear now. If I am the student, I'll solve in 1 second. I'll tell you the logic how I am going to do. Very good. 3 students gave me answer. 2 of them are correct. Very good. Excellent. Abhinav, Gururaj gave me answer. Abhinav gave me answer. Harini gave me answer. Harsha gave me answer. Aditya gave me answer. Vanilla gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. Abhinav and Abhiram. Okay. Mayuka gave me answer. Very good. So now, as of now, I can see 3 options on the board. One option is A, one option is C, one option is D. No one has given B. You can also check B so that all 4 options would have been covered. I can see around 9 to 10 students gave me answer. Some of you gave A, some of you gave, but everyone, please do try and give me your answer. Give me your best short answer. Good. Very good. Likit gave me answer. Lasha gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. Vanilla also gave me answer. Vardhan gave me answer. Okay, very good. Students who gave initially, they gave answer as D, then people started giving answer as C, then people have typed A. Many people have typed C, many people have typed A, just one hero. He typed B, very good here. So all options have been covered. Luckily, I don't have option E. If not, I would have selected people who got option E too. So now see, same question. Let us see why are we getting different options. Now, there are 2 to 3 ways to solve this question. Everyone should focus. Most important model. This similar question is also there in the model that I gave it to you. So it's a wonderful opportunity for you to learn the exact answer or learn the thing that you don't know. So please, 100% concentration should be on the question. He gave some equation for the quadratic function, and he says, which of the following equation gives the vertex? Means where I can see the vertex, where I can find the vertex. The final question is where I can find the vertex. So first let us see the vertex. In the last class, I told you if I have an equation like ax square plus, there are multiple ways. I'll tell you multiple ways. So this is called standard form. I also told you if it is written as a into x minus p into x minus q, said to be the x-intercept form because p and q are the intercepts. I also told you there is one form which is a into x minus h whole square plus k. It is called vertex form. So for all the options, I can see only this is in the vertex form shape. So happily I can go for that. So this is one of the easiest and the best way to solve this question. Still you are not convinced. Okay, Venkat, okay, you are speaking like a smart person here. You said some vertex form and you are giving. So what is actual, but how do I find the vertex? So now I also told you, if I have the standard form, how do I find the vertex? X value is given by minus b by 2a, minus b here is minus 2 by 2 into 1. So minus of minus 2 is 2 by 2, 1. So x value of the vertex is 1. Since I got the x value, let me plug in here and find the y value. 1 minus 2 minus 15, which is minus 16, 1 comma minus 16. So where I can see 1 comma minus 16, happily I can see only in D option. That is the reason. Which of the following is, what is asking? Where I can see vertex, where I can see vertex in this. But what 99% students do you know? They do one simple thing. What they do? They start trying to simplification. SAT is not about simplification here. I'm not criticizing. I'm telling you what students do you know? They start multiplying. So x into x is x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. In out something you call FOIL, something you call, I don't know all those terms here. X square minus 2x minus 15. Yes, same thing has come. Now some people will type option C. Oh, x square minus 2x minus 15. Same thing. Because of same thing will I mark something here? How innocence it is here. So because I'm getting the same thing when I'm simplify 99% students will mark. That is the answer. Luckily option B, when you simplify you won't get that, so no one will mark. If anyone is giving option B, I should beat them. But even A and C, how idiotic options they are here. Definitely they are idiotic options. Why? What does option A represents? Vertex form. The same question, which of the following is an equivalent form of the equation of the graph shown in the xy plane above, from which the coordinates of from which the x-intercepts can be identified as, instead of this, if I can have x-intercepts can be identified as constants or equation, so it should be option A, because I can see x plus 3 means minus 3, x minus 5 means 5. I can see the x-intercepts clearly here. Option B is meaningless option. It is nowhere relevant to this. The just to what is this trap they given option C. What is option C? Option C is as an Alibaba form. Alibaba form is I cannot get any information from this. So it is also of no use. So there are three forms. One is standard form. This is x-intercept form. This is vertex form. I told you just now, explained you, right? So those are the three forms. See, this is a confidence that I require from you. I'm explaining you so clearly, or even then I want to make mistake, I don't want to do, means God should help us. How simple is this? Most important, I'm telling you, you most likely you get a similar question in exam, and 99% of the students make mistakes because they don't know what is x-intercept form, they don't know what is vertex form, they don't know what is standard form. It is not required to know the forms. At least if you don't know the forms, you should be in a position to identify the vertex. What is vertex? So see here, no need to find the vertex also is so clear. 1 comma minus 16. So where I can see from the graph itself, I can say 1 comma minus 16. So where I can see 1 comma minus 16, I can see it in only option D. So definitely D for Delhi should be my answer. See how simple as answer is this. You are planning to study in one of the best universities. You should not think like I simplify, I get this answer. That is the reason this should be answered. No, we should change our attitude. We should always think logically. Okay, so since the time has come, I'll explain you. So why many students says reading and writing is difficult? Give me any maths topic. First thing I'll identify is, okay, this topic comes under inequalities. This topic comes under quadratic functions. All the concepts that are required to solve any quadratic function is in my mind. So, and I'm good at reading the question, so I can happily able to solve. So when it comes to writing and reading, why students fail? Even in writing is more easier than math. I'm telling you truth. Writing 44 questions, you have only 35 minutes to answer 44 questions, not even 50 seconds here. In 50 seconds, can they give some difficult question? They should give one of the most easiest questions. Definitely they are giving easiest question. That is the reason even you make one or two mistakes, you lose 30 to 40 points. Writing is for 400 marks. Even you make one or two mistakes, you can lose up to 20 to 30 points, even sometimes 40 points if the paper is too easy. Why are we unable to solve? Why are we feeling it difficult? You are learning for the sake of exam. You are never learning to improve your punctuation, how good it is here to know where to put comma, full stop, or how to learn subject, how good it is to improve your English language grammar part. If you learn the way I need to learn particular topic, particular subject, then definitely you learn. So why you find English part is difficult? Let me come to first writing, then come to reading. First writing. When I give a question to you in writing, I don't know how many of you can say, let me just scroll down. It is, I'm not wasting even a single second. This is one of the most important things that you should know. So when I give you a writing question here, so suppose this, immediately should identify which concept comes under this, like I'm explaining like inequalities or quadratic functions. Then only you'll be able to do. I don't learn the concepts. There are 30 to 35 concepts in writing. That's it. Reading though, definitely I can understand. Okay, our reading speeds are very less, but at least try to solve two passages perfectly, or at least three passages perfectly. You get pakka 300. You make all questions mistakes also, you get 100 marks. You make three passages perfectly, then slowly try to improve your reading speed. You'll be able to get, without that you're just simply, you can't even read one passage, I can't even answer two passages, 20 questions correct means how can I study high level academic course curriculum when I go to university? Not possible, right? Please be smart at the end of the day. SAT is so simple exam, so lovely exam, because you are developing your life skills, you are developing your reading skills, writing skills, and math. It is not math, it is analytical skills, thinking skills. I feel myself I'm good in thinking because I can solve any SAT question. I developed that thinking. So more and more questions you solve, you develop your thinking. There is no formula in any question. Without formulas, I can solve 90% of the questions. For example, you see 30th question. Who have common sense? Who have common sense means, I'm not criticizing, I'm saying in other words here, who can just look into the question. Suppose if I can look into the question, he is saying which of the following gives the vertex A? Vertex A is 1 comma minus 16 from the graph. Where I can see 1 comma minus 16? Only option D. See, that is how the SAT questions are framed. Okay, yeah. So let me go on to other quadratic functions questions. So it is an opportunity for us to learn all the quadratic functions questions in this topic. So 25th question is also a quadratic functions question. So let me see how many of you can approach and solve the question, and solve the question in less than 1 minute. Two things are important: speed and accuracy. Accuracy first, then the speed. Both are important to me. Start. 25th question. Once you get your answer, please do type your answer in the chat box. Wait, question. This is also quadratic functions question. Try to give me your answer. You can type your answer in the chat box. Simple. Think, reread the question. If you think you don't know, you can reread the question. After approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? There is no high level mathematics in this, basic mathematics. Think, please read the question. They gave an equation. They're describing the equation, the initial two sentences. Then in the third sentence, they're asking after approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? Good. Answers started coming. One person gave me answer. Even others, please do give me your answers. So if anyone want to take exam on August 27th, contact me on personal WhatsApp. I'll guide you from there. Very good. Very good. Very good. Gururaj, Mayuka, Vanilla has given their answers. Type these answers. Very good. It's a simple concept. Questions would be definitely simple. They're not complicated at all. Please don't make things complicated. Read the question again. I'm sure 100% you would be able to solve. Read the final sentence. After approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? When the ball hits the ground, what happens? The height of the ball is 0. So just equate h to 0 and solve for t. See how simple is the question, but how complicated. Right now, many could not give me the answer. 3 students gave me the answer. Out of them, only one correct, 2 of them are wrong. So if I'm the student, how simply I'll solve. You see it. So one more concept. You are thinking there is some physics in this. There is some projectile. Nothing. They just want to make you terrified. SAT is easy exam because in 1 minute I cannot solve some too lengthy, difficult question. So the concept behind this question is very simple, right? What is the concept behind this question? I just need to find the value of t when h is 0. So 0 is equal to minus 4.t square plus 25t. So you can do this in 2 ways. One way is take this other side. 4.9t square is 25t. T katam. So t is equal to 25 by 5, which is 5. 4.9 is approximately, I'm taking 5. See how simple are the questions. All the questions would be as simple as that. Please gain the confidence. Please read the question. If I cannot solve such questions, so these are the questions that will improve your IQ skills. Can you make you as a better person? Definitely. I feel that solving more and more questions will make you as a better person, no doubt about it. Okay, so I have already solved 2 questions. Let me see if there is any question related to quadratic functions in this. There is a question, but in bit not exactly a quadratic function. Yes, but this also can be solved as a quadratic functions question. Please try to solve question number 36. If not, I'll try to explain on the board. None of you should waste even single second. Write the question and think the best way to solve this question. Have your own way. Then see the way teacher is explaining. From that, if there is a best method, then your method, if the teacher explains, grab it, keep it in your brain, try to implement when the time comes. You will be the winner. Very good. Very good. Harini has given me some answer. Cross check it once. Mostly might not be correct. Guru Raj gave me some other answer. For what value of the x the function is undefined? When something is undefined, what is 1 by 2? You'll say 0.5. What is 1 by 4? You'll say 0.25. If I say 1 by 0, Venkat gone mad. You'll say Venkat gone mad. Correct, right? Because 1 by 0, I don't know what is 1 by 0. It is undefined. She's asking when the, so you need to split the question. Is asking when this function is undefined. When the function is undefined, when this denominator becomes 0. So just check when the denominator becomes 0. So there are multiple ways to do this again. I'll tell you now. I gave you hint. Now everyone should solve in the class and give me answer. When something becomes undefined, when the denominator becomes 0, because something upon 0 is undefined, I cannot divide something into 0 parts. I gave you an apple and I'm asking you to divide them into 0 parts. You laugh at me, what this fellow is speaking. So now, again, to solve this, there are 2 to 3 ways. You need to solve your way, then I'll explain you what are those 2 to 3 ways. Very good. Everyone should give me your answer now. 6 students have given me answer. Last says X must be 3. Very good. Aditya says answer. Harsha has given me answer. Mayuka, you are giving me explanation. Amma. Give me the final answer. Amma. Abhinav, Mayuka register for Adagast exam. Amma. Abhinav gave me answer. Guru Raj gave me answer. Very good. Even others, everyone too should give me answer. So there are multiple ways to solve this question. So what is one way and the best way to solve this question? Uh, One way is I'll take x minus 5 as t. So t square plus 4t plus 4 equal to 0. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as t plus 2 whole square equal to 0. T is x minus 5. So x minus 5 plus 2 whole square equal to 0. X minus 3 whole square is 0. I'll do this question in 1 second because t square a plus b whole square. I won't do all these steps. I'm challenging. I can solve these 38 questions in 7 to 9 minutes because the paper is easy. Questions will be so straightforward. This is one way of solving. This is a plus b whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x is equal to 3 is the answer. See how simple is this to solve. What is the other way to solve? We can happily expand. So x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 4x minus 20 plus 4 equal to 0. Just 1 second. Plus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 10x plus 4x is minus 6x plus 25 minus plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 0. So this can be written as x square minus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. X into x minus 3 into x minus 3 is 0. Therefore, x is equal. Other way to solve. But this method will waste your at least your valuable 30 to 45 seconds. This method, if you are fast, you'll take t square, t plus 2 whole square. You'll not write all these steps. Just to make you understand, I'm writing. If I'm the student, if I'm very good, t square plus 4, t plus 4, t plus 2 whole square, x minus 3 whole square, x is equal to 3. Without pen and paper also we can do. This is advisable method. If you are thinking, no, why should I think why should I make brain work so much? Let me expand. I want a happy, peaceful life. Then do this happy, peaceful life. But you should not worry if you don't get 800 because you might not have time to solve this 38th question. You might have stuck by 37th question. Okay, yeah, perfect. So we solved 3 questions from this paper. Now let me open another paper. I think you might have more questions. I'm not sure. You might have more. What is this? Yeah, let me take another paper. All these are actual SAT papers. So I'm solving questions from actual SAT papers only here. So means you will get a similar question. So that is what I meant to say, nothing else. Okay. Okay. Now let me go to section 3. Yeah, I'm going to section 3. I can see a question here. Yeah, 12th question. Don't get afraid by looking into the question. Try. If you make mistake, you are lucky because you don't know that concept. Yeah, 10th question is also there. There are so many questions here. Okay, first let us solve 12th question, then I'll come back to 10th question. Please try to solve question number 12. Everyone in the class should give me answer. Whether it is right or wrong, no issues. If you are my student, I don't have an option, you don't have an option, you should get 800 in SAT math. Pakka 800. 12th question. If you can solve this question means you understood quadratic functions perfectly. You are the king of quadratic functions. Twelfth question. Please read the question, then type your answer in the chat box. This good, very good question. This is very good question. Very good. Harsha, Vanilla. I received answer from Vanilla and I received answer from Harsha. Okay, Mayuka. Abhinav, Likit, Siddharth. Very good, Siddharth. Lasya. If you have any problem in preparation of SAT, I'm always there to push you up. I can pull you. Only thing is, I need a sincere, hardworking, dedicated student. If you're sincere, hardworking, dedicated, you are struggling, please take advice from me. But please be always positive attitude person here. You should be positive attitude means you should let the life move on. You should not just sit and worry about I did not understand this, I did not understand this, I did not, my parents did not give me the English books when I was child. All this is useless. From now on, based on your situation, how can I move forward? A person who thinks how can I move forward will be the winner at the end of the day. We should be of such person. Yeah, please give me answer for 12th question. Sorry for disturbing you again and again. Very good. Harani gave me answer. Gururaj gave me answer. Anushka gave me answer. Lasya gave me answer. Do you know what is the good part about this question? A, B, C, D, all options have been covered. I'm very happy. In any question, if A, B, C, D, all options are covered, I feel so happy because there is a lot for the students to learn from that question. So means the question is a good question. Very good. Abhiram gave me answer. Vanilla has given me options. Mr. Venkat, take either A or B or C or D. Sorry, she said two options, just joking. Anand gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. Vanilla, Gururaj, Anushka, Lasya, Siddharth. Okay. So even others, one or two students are not responding. You're not good. You should be active. Even if I'm not active, you should make me active. Very good. Now let me come back to this question and see how simple is this or how to solve this question. So when I'm explaining the last class, I clearly told you there are 2 to 3 ways to find the vertex. There are 2 to 3 ways to find the vertex. What is one way of finding the vertex? If you have not listened the last class, listen to me right now. One is using the formula ax square plus bx plus c. First, I'll find the x value, which is minus b by 2a. Once I get the x value, I'll try to plug in here and find the y value. What is the other way? If they give me in the vertex form a into x minus h whole square plus k, h comma k is said to be my vertex. This is the second form. What is the third one I told you? I told you if I know the x-intercepts, I'll find the midpoint. So if this value is 5, if this value is some 20, 20 plus x value, 5 comma 0, 20 comma 0. What is the third way of finding the vertex? Third way is I'll take the midpoint of the x-intercepts. 5 plus 20 by 2, 25 by 2, which is 12.5 or 25 by 2. I'll plug in 25 by 2 here. I'll get the value of y, that is my this value. So first, that is what I'm telling you, right? For every, first you need to be able to identify which topic the question is from, and you should have all the concepts of that topic in your brain. The moment you miss any concept, you are gone. Same thing works with mainly with writing and math. Now let me solve this question, and now I clearly know the vertex are, the graph might look something like this, minus 4 and 2. So minus 4 and 2 is, minus 4 and 2 midpoint is minus 4 plus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. I got the x value of the vertex, which is minus 1. Once I get minus 1, I'll happily plug in the options. So a into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 4, a into minus 3 into 3, which is minus 9a. So answer is a for Alibaba. So a minus 9a should be answer. So what is the answer? A for Andaman or Alibaba, whatever you want to take it. So now let me see how many of you had given me answer as A. Let me count. Anushka gave me answer. I don't know if she had. Gururaj gave me answer. Abhinav gave me answer. Harsha gave me answer. Harsha gave me immediately. Okay. If you have solved the concept and has given the correct answer, I'm most happy. 3 students have given me A. Rest of all given as some other answer. So this is a very good question. So there is something for you to learn. You don't know how to find vertex when they give intercept form. So when they give you intercept form, this is the way to find vertex. You should not forget from now on. Please, why I'm spending so much time, I would have simply asked, solve the questions I had given it to you. No, I'm discussing the questions because you need to know the best way to solve questions. SAT is all about accuracy, means definitely you need to solve the questions. Second and the most important is speed. The same question I'm giving, you are taking 2 minutes. No, I'll not, I'm telling you truth, I'll not even use pen and paper. 2 comma minus 4, 2 plus minus 4 by 2 minus 1, I'll plug in here, minus 3 into 3 minus 9a. But I'll go to the next question. I'm not overconfident here. I'm confident enough because I have so much practice. That's it. I have confidence that without pen and paper, I can do my calculations in my brain and I can go ahead. Now, let me go to the next question. I think even this question is a very good question. It is based on parabola, that is quadratic functions and line. You should be able to solve, but bit difficult, bit out of box question. Let me see how many of you can solve. Try to solve question number 10 and type your answer in the chat box. We are still in section 3. I think there are many more questions in this paper on quadratic functions. Try to give me answer for question number 10. Yeah, correct. You need to solve, try to solve question in less than 1 minute and correct. If you can do both of them, you'll get pakka 800. Time is definitely important. Correct. In the xy plane, the parabola with the equation y is equal to intersects the line with the equation y equal to 25 at 2 points A and B. What is the length of AB? I can help you with a diagram. To that extent, I can help you. Questions are simple. Don't complicate. There is a parabola and there is a line. Line is meeting at 2 points. What is this distance? What is this distance is the question is all about. What is the distance? So they're saying, let this point be A for Alibaba, this point be B for Beta Baba. So they gave 2 points, A and B. They're asking what is the distance AB. Fast. Someone has given me answer. Very good. Abhinav gave me answer and Likit gave me answer, but they gave 2 different answers. What is the distance AB? What is the distance AB? Very good. 2 more has given me answer. Gururaj gave me answer. Lashe gave me answer. Do you know what is the interesting part? 4 students gave 4 answers. A, B, C, D. All options are covered. So definitely I like this question again. Yeah, Mayuka gave me answer. Anushka gave me answer. Others, everyone in my class, please do put on the paper. The first thing is you need to start. Some people read the question, no use here. Start putting pen on the paper and write the information you had given. Automatically next step will come out. If you just sit like that and wait for some miracle to happen, no, God is not going to help us. If you start, God will definitely help you. Satvik gave me his answer. Aditya gave me his answer. Harani gave her answer. Varun gave his answer. I like this question because some of you are saying A, some of you are saying B, some of you are saying C, some of you are saying D. All options have been covered. If you can score 800 in SAT math, you'll get very good score in SAT. Very, very good score in SAT. Writing is also dead easy. Only thing is you need to prepare in such a way. Prepare in such a way. Don't expect teacher will go into your brain, and you need to identify which topic the question is from. If you can do that and you know that concepts in that topic, you'll get 400 out of 400. It is difficult to get 800 in SAT math. It is bit easier to get 400 in SAT writing. I'm saying truth. Okay. Abiram gave his answer. Siddharth gave his answer. Varun gave his answer. Okay. Most of you has given your answers. 2, 3 has read to solve this question. Please do solve. See here. If I'm the student, how I'm going to solve this? How I'm going to approach this question? So they gave this equation. The equation is x minus 11 whole square, and they gave this line. They say 25. At this point, both the equation and line should be equal. That is only meaning of meeting, right? Meeting means same. At this point, both are same. At what value of x both are same? Let me find. X minus 11 whole square is equal to 25. So the mistake student make is they take square root on both sides. No, square root is a different function. X minus 1 is plus or minus 5. 25 can be written as plus or minus 5 whole square. So x minus 11 should be equal to plus or minus 5. So x minus 11 is plus 5. X minus 11 is minus 5. No need to do all this, but just to make you understand. So I got 2 points. One point is 5 plus 11, which is 16. I also got minus 5 plus 11, which is 6. So now point A is 6 comma 25 because the y value is 25. Point B is 16 comma 25. So the y values are same here. So what is the distance between 16 and 6? 10. So the distance between 16 and 6 is 10. Students, whoever got answer as 10, you are perfect. Others, you made a mistake. Please see where you are making mistakes. You should not make mistake in this question. It is more about thinking. There is no formula in this. And the question would be definitely easy. More of calculations, simple calculations. If you cannot understand after the class, please watch this video again and again till you understand, but don't get habited to only understanding the things. Make yourself think. You need to think. Okay, now let me go to the next question. I like these two questions. Why? You gave me options as A, B, C, D. Okay. So there are some questions where students give the pakka answer. 16th is also indirectly quadratic functions question itself. It's a quadratic functions question. Please give me answer for 16th question. Please give me your answer for 16th question. Whether it is right or wrong later on, please do solve and give me your answer for 16th, 1-6. Again, I'm repeating, I'm there with you till you get your good score in SAT. Please be motivated and work hard. Till you don't join my course, I'm least bothered. Once a student join my institute or my course, I'm more concerned. Try to give me answer for 16th one, 1-6. Good. Harsha gave his answer. Let me check if it is correct. Likit gave me his answer, but two different answers they gave. Okay, Harsha, you are correct. I think you are using more common sense than solving. Very good. Harsha and Vanilla correct. I'll just read out the names who did correct. Okay, then I think two options might be there here. Let me see. Okay, yeah, two options are there. Whenever they say what is one possible, there is a chance that more than one option is correct. Whenever they say what is one possible, there is 100% chance more than one option would be there, but you need to keep this question also, conditions also into consideration when you are solving a question. So the condition that mentioned here is x should be greater than 0. Please do keep that condition in your brain. Okay, very good. Most of you has given me answer. Even others to just give me your answer. Okay, Harini, just see the question. The condition itself is x is greater than 0. You need to give me only the answer where x is greater than 0. Next, there are many people who are to type the answer. Please be faster. Type the answer. Active. Be active in the class. Moika gave her answer. Okay. It is one of the dead easiest questions. See how I'm going to solve this. If I'm the student, I'm going to solve in this manner. They gave me x cube into x square minus 5. Okay, perfect, Siddharth. Abhiram. Okay, Abhiram 4 can't be answered. Let us see. Let me solve. X cube into x square minus 5 is minus 4x. First thing I'm cancelling x, and x cube may x, if I cancel it becomes x square. So the equation becomes x square into x square minus 5 is minus 4. Now the first condition, let x square is equal to t. So t into t minus 5, very good, Anand, minus 4. So t square minus 5t equal to minus 4. T square, no need to do all this because you can write after this step directly this step here. So now factorize this. I get t minus 1 into t minus 4 equal to 0. T equal to 1, t equal to 4. T is x square. X square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 4. So the values that satisfy here is x is equal to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, actually 4 values. But he says clearly x is greater than 0. So minus 1 I cannot take. I cannot take minus 2 because he clearly mentioned x is greater than 0. So 1 and 2. Please don't do trial and error. If you don't get, you can also do trial and error. Put 1. 1 into minus 4 equal to minus 4. You are so happiest person. Why to solve all this nonsense? You solved in 1 second because God is on your side. If God is not on your side, you put 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, nothing is going to work. You'll be tensed. Array, time is running off. I cannot solve. So always advisable to know what is this procedure to solve a question. If you got an answer by try, so I see many companies, they say plugging in the answers. Okay, so they use many terms like okay, you plug this answer, that is okay, but when you know the concept, you can solve the question definitely way confidently and way faster than using the other methods. Okay, I hope everyone understood. If I'm confusing you people, this is not a confusion, this is a lengthy question. First I need to solve for t, but t is x square. I get the two values for x, plus or minus 1, and two more values from other, plus or minus 2, but clearly mentioned x should be greater than 0, so only positive values, avoid negative values. That is your answer. We are all happy. Perfect. Yeah, very good. Now next question, only quadratic functions. If required, I'll do in next class. We are not at all in hurry. But please solve all the questions I'm giving in the class, because I'm going to give you similar questions that you are going to get in the exam perspective. So it will really help you to get a very good score. Only thing is you need to be motivated. They're asking some, it's a quadratic thing, but some anyone can do. You should identify the questions like this. Yeah, I have a question on okay, this is isolating quantities that we'll do later on. Look like quadratic function. Uh, okay, so since I can see quadratic function here, uh, not exactly quadratic function, more of common sense is required to solve this question. Try to give me answer for question number 16. But I stopped there because there are two parabolas, u and inverted u. So definitely it comes under quadratic functions of the parabola. That is the reason I stopped there. Try to give me answer for question number 16. Whether it is right or wrong, I'm least concerned. If it is wrong, I'm more happy because you are getting a chance to learn. So they gave some question and they gave 4 options. If someone cannot see the options, let me scroll up. Yes, now everyone can see all the 4 options. Very good. I can see 3 students gave me answer. All of them had given the same answer. So 4, 5, everyone is giving same answer. Then question might be easier. Mayuka, Lasya, Gururaj, Abhinav, Anushka. I can see answers from them on my screen. So, and I see all of them had given the same thing. Even others, why only these people? Even others should think and give me answer. They're asking where something plus something is 0. For what value of x, f of x and g of x is 0. Very good. I can see other answer popping up here. Okay, Harini gave her answer. Okay, I can see 2 more answers. Very good, yeah, very good. Harsha gave his answer. Likit gave his answer. Okay. Now see, Siddharth gave his answer. Okay. Now see here, a simple logic. You should know what is the everyone most important. You should know what is the meaning of f of x. F of x means y values. You can see here. G of x, f of x means the y values. Now suppose assume that you told me for this question, that is the reason I told you no math, nothing is required, just basic thinking is required. Assume -3 is correct answer. So this is 0, -1, -2, -3. When x is equal to -3, what is f of x? 0. Sorry, what is f of x? -1. Sorry. Now let me erase. When x is equal to -3, what is f of x? -1. What is g of x? G of x is also -1. So -1 plus -1 is -2 in India. So definitely not 0. So none of you should give A for Agra is correct answer. Now -2. When x is equal to -2, 0, -1, -2. G of x is 2, f of x is -2. 2 plus -2 is 0. So 100%, 1000%, B for Bangalore is correct answer. So my concern is there is no math in this. Only thing is you need to think, look into the graph and give me answer here. Someone can make mistake in this. Yes, you might make because you might not know what is f of x. It is not harm to make mistake. It is a big harm to not to learn what is the correct way or what exactly I'm thinking or where exactly I'm missing. Please relearn or please relearn about your brain, how it thinks, understand how your brain thinks, make it in go in a correct path. You can answer any question in SAT. Okay, so this is not at all a math question. It is a simple basic question. So if you have solved it correct, I'm very happy. If you solved it wrong, I'm more happy because you don't know either f of x or you don't know about graph. You got an opportunity to learn. Now next question, definitely there will be 1 or 2 more questions here. 29, 30 generally they might be left-handed, right-handed probability. Probability I did not explain to your batch, right? I think the other batch. No, yeah. Okay, these are quadratic functions. Okay, 33 is a quadratic simple question. I'll come back to that too. One question I saw. You should see one more. Happy. Okay, I have only one more because they give more questions in section 3, right? So every paper setter has a target. You need to give these many questions from each topic. Yeah, 33. So we are not required to learn that because I need to solve each and every question to get 800. So I'm least bothered to know how many questions come from each topic. Please do solve question number 33. Everyone in the class should give me answer. Easy question. Hurry up. Everyone, please be motivated and type your answer in the chat box. Good. Abhinav gave his answer. Everyone should give me answer for this question. Gururaj gave his answer. Siddharth gave his answer. Siddharth, please be careful, Siddharth. Aditya gave his answer. Asha gave his answer. Lasya gave her answer. Lasya, please be careful, Amma. Because in gradings, I never get negative answers because I cannot bubble negative answer in gradings. Arini gave, Anusha gave answer. Swati Sri gave answer. Where are Yama Swati Sri so far? Lasya gave her answer. Yeah. They're asking B, not BX, Siddharth. So try to give me the value of B. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now people are going to, we should not make mistake in this question here. You make mistake, I'm not saying you are good or bad, but we need to learn what is a mistake. Minus 3x square plus 5x minus 2 minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 3x square minus 5x square plus 9x plus 0. Compare this with ax square plus bx plus the value of b is 9. Okay, so let me go to the next paper. Before that, again 5 to 10 seconds of some sort of not motivation. Let me tell you something from my story. So when I was in fifth grade, my teacher asked me the spelling of conductor, or sixth grade, I think. Yeah, fifth grade. Sorry, she asked me the spelling of conductor. I don't know the spelling of conductor then. So if the teacher has demotivated me, you don't know even this, you are a fool. I might not have. I might have got afraid about English language. I'm from Telugu medium, from where I can learn the English. Mine is one of the worst village. My teachers are 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade passed out teachers when I'm studying. We used to have, I'm not old here, I'm young only, but I'm from a Pakka rural village where we don't have any facilities. Even right now, we don't have bus facility to our village. So what I'm saying is, if you make some mistake, you are weak in something, it is not your sin. What is the sin? You being lazy, you are wasting the resources that are available. You are not trying to learn is the biggest sin. I don't know the spelling of conductor. I'm happy that I don't know. For different reasons, I don't know. But I was not careless or I was not lazy. Then I thought of, okay, I need to learn. I need to learn. I'm weak at that. I understand the way to learn. I took help from someone who can help me. Now I can speak fluently. If I'm not too great in English, definitely I can communicate with anyone. I have good communication because I can explain what I have in my mind to others clearly. The same thing applies to, if you are weak at something, don't get afraid. Don't feel what is this distracted, or don't feel like no, you are waste. Nothing as such. Identify what is the root cause for that problem. Suppose you made this question mistake, you don't know addition, you don't know multiplication, you don't know how to multiply with minus. Learn what is the root cause for you to make mistake in this question. You will never repeat the mistake. Okay, yeah. Now I solved all the questions in this. I'll take extra 5 to 10 minutes here. We'll solve few more questions. Now, let me take a test 5 from this. Test 5, test 5, test 5. Okay, okay. Let me go to section 3. So you can get either in calculator or no calculator. In both the papers, we have quadratic functions questions. So you can get in any of the papers. There is no rule that you'll get only from calculator or no calculator section. So this is also a quadratic function because I can see square, but I can solve later on. This is also a quadratic function question. You can solve it too. This is an addition. A square minus 1 means a square plus a is answer. That is also, this is also a quadratic function because I need to solve. Okay, so we'll start. Yeah, everyone in the class should give me answer for third question. Please do give me answer for third question. Even you can get a similar simple question as such. It is not that every topic I get difficult question. Everyone in the class should give me answer for third. If I'm not giving answer for the third question means you think this is an useless question. Don't ever think a question is useless. Don't ever think other person is useless. They will, there nothing is useless in this world. Very good. Everyone should give me answer. I should get answers from all 19-20 students in the class. Very good. Harsha gave me his answer. Abhinav gave me his answer. Everyone type your answer in. Everyone. Anand gave his answer. Anand gave me his answer. Yeah. Gururaj gave me his answer. Mayuka gave her answer. Likit gave his answer. We should not make mistake in these questions here. Aditya gave his answer. Everyone, please do type your answer. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Harini gave her answer. Vanilla gave her answer. Vanilla, you registered for August exam, Amma. Right now you are in US or in India? Just message me in WhatsApp, Amma. And you need to register for August exam too. SSV gave her answer. SSV. SSV. I'm not getting a SSV. SSV. Okay, tennis player SSV. Very good, SSV. I'm happy to see answers from you, SSV. Okay, Amma. Okay. So if possible, meet me on then Monday or Tuesday, man. Get your August exam registration done. We are going on August 13th. Then I'll book your exam in US, Amma. So, but please register for the exam in next 1 or 2 days. You can write exam in US, but others, some of you has not yet given your answer. No, yeah. Either you might be going and eating or you going and watching something. Focus here. Everyone should give me answer. Just a simple quadratic equation, right? So when I try to solve this question, so again there will be multiple ways to solve this question. So take 4 common, x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is 0. Not to all this, 3 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1. So B for Bangalore is answer. If not, you can say x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 is 0. I don't know why some of you has not given answer for this. Some of you means 2, 3 students. No, not at all. Which is the following example in the graph has no x-intercepts. Okay. Fourth question is also a quadratic function question. Let me see how many of you can give answer for fourth question. That would be the last question for the day. Next class also, if possible, I will solve few quadratic functions questions. I'm not at all in hurry to do something. But please don't rely only on me. Complete all the assignments. And I gave you one wonderful book to everyone. If you have not received, you can send me your email ID. I'll send you the book. Please do solve all quadratic functions questions in that. I'll send you even the solutions book. In solutions book, you need to solve only the questions, answers. You should not see the solutions. The moment you start seeing the solutions, your brain says, "Arey, already book is there here. Why do you want to waste your energy? Let me keep quiet." Make your brain work hard. If not, it becomes lazy easily. So I can see 3 answers. Harini, Abhinav, and Vanilla. So 3 gave 2 different answers. Yashashvi gave her answer. Arsha gave his answer. Gururaj gave his answer. Aditya gave his answer. I got A, C, D. So this is also interesting question. Only B is left. Someone can target B too. A, C, D. Okay, Anand gave D. Mayuka, Liket, Mayuka, Anand, Gururaj, Aditya, Harsha, SSV, Lasya, Abhiram, Anushka. Okay, and one more thing. Tomorrow I would be there in Hyderabad office. So if any student from Hyderabad would like to come and do SAT registration or any issues you have that you want me to discuss, morning 8 to evening 2. In between morning 8 to afternoon 2, you can come and meet me. I'll solve any problem or any concern or anything that you have in Hyderabad tomorrow. Yeah. Now, fourth question. When I try to solve fourth question, which of the following is an example of a function whose graph in the xy plane has no x-intercepts? What is the meaning of x-intercept? This is an x-intercept. What is the meaning of x-intercept? This is an x-intercept. What is the meaning of x-intercept? This is an x-intercept. This is an x-intercept. This is an x-intercept. Correct, right? Now let us look into the question. A linear function whose rate of change is not 0 means it is not like this. It is changing. Means it is changing. Means definitely I can extend. It will touch somewhere in the x-axis. So if the line is horizontal, so even you draw in Pakistan, someday you'll stretch, it will come to India and it will touch here somewhere. I'm just joking here. So if the line is not horizontal, definitely it will have x-intercept. So A for Agra can never ever be your answer. Now B, a quadratic function with real zeros. A quadratic function with real zeros, clearly I'm saying it has 2 real zeros. Real zeros itself is an x-intercept. So B for Bangalore can never ever be answer. Now C for Chennai. A quadratic function with no real zeros means you don't have any real zeros, means it should be like this or like this. It cannot touch x-axis. So definitely C for Chennai is your answer. Okay. So who missed last class? I have video of it. If you can listen to that, I'll upload this in my YouTube channel right now. Please do see that and this. Pakka, you'll be able to understand. Okay. Yeah. So anything else? you have think you can ask me. If not, I'm going to end the session. I'll see you in the next class. My assignments are most important. You need to solve the assignments. Everything. I sent you 20 questions. Please do solve them. And once you are done, I gave you books. Please do solve from them. Okay. All the best. I'll see you in the next class. You can see Guru Raj. You can wait. Who has sent me the questions? They can wait. Others can leave. Who has sent me the questions? They can wait. Others can leave. Uh, Send me the questions here. I think your WhatsApp message have been I deleted or it got deleted. I changed my phone. Send me this again. Yeah, others who don't have doubts, they can leave. Who have doubts, they can wait and they can. The function f of x is 2x square minus mx plus n, where m and n are constants. If the y-intercept of the graph of the f in the xy plane is 12 and one of the x-intercept is 4, then the value of m is, okay, definitely a decent question. Let me solve. I think I closed my software. Yeah. Now they clearly gave to me what they gave to me. The y-intercept is 12. What is the meaning of y-intercept? The value of f of x when x is equal to 0. So try to plug in x is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. This also becomes 0. 0 minus 0 is big 0. So 0 plus n is n. So when I try to, what is the meaning of y-intercept? The value of y when x is equal to 0. So the value of n is 12. So my equation becomes 2x square minus mx plus 12 is my f of x. Using the first condition of y-intercept, I can happily able to find the value of n, which is 12. Now see the second condition. And one of the x-intercept is 4. What is the meaning of x-intercept? The value of x when y is 0. So put f of x as 0 and try to plug in x as 4 and try to find the value of m. So 2 into 4 is 30, 2 into 16 is 32 minus 4m plus 12 equal to 0. 4m is 44, m is 44 by 4, which is 11. So that is the reason 11 is the answer. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Other students, I think I saw so many WhatsApp messages coming to me. Let me see what are those WhatsApp messages. Okay. Next question. Next question. The expression x plus m into x plus n can be rewritten as x square plus bx minus 16, where m, n, and b are integers. What is the greatest possible value of m minus n? Okay. So I'm mentioning that x plus m into x plus n can be written as this: x plus m into x plus n is x square plus mx plus nx plus mn. When I try to expand, I get something similar to this. So I can write it as x square plus x into m plus n plus mn is equal to x square plus bx minus 16. So when I try to compare, I get m into n as minus 16 and m plus n is b. They're not asking the something, they're asking what is the greatest possible value of m minus n. I clearly know m and n are integers, so it should be minus 1 into 16 or 16 into minus 1 or 8 into minus 2 or minus 2 into 8 or 4 into minus 4 or minus 4 into 4. That's it. Those are the possibilities, right? Or 4 into minus 4. Now I need to find the greatest value of m minus n. So the greatest value of m minus n, if you take 8 and minus 2, you get only 10. If you take 16 and minus 1, you get 17. So the greatest possible value of m minus n should be m 16 minus of minus 1 from this. There are only three possibilities. You need to do three. When I take 4 and minus 4, I get 8. When I take 8 and minus 2, I get 10. When I take 16 and minus 1, I get 17. So the greatest possible value of m minus n is 17. So definitely m minus n 17 should be my correct answer. Okay. Yeah. So that is how we solve this. Next question. So if you cannot understand, you are most happy, you can stop me and ask me. I'll help you again. Now, where is the next question? Next question. Just 1 second here. People message me so many things. You ask me when you start offline class. It is an exponential function question. I don't want to. Send me the questions here. I don't have so much thing here. Send me the questions fast. If you can send me the questions, I'll do right now. But do fast here. So my SSV, please, I'll send you my YouTube video right now to you. I'll upload this. Even other videos, last class video is also there.
Okay, sir.
Are there. Please do watch them, Mama. Definitely you'll get a lot of confidence. Huh? Okay, then I'll see you in the next class. Take care, everyone. Bye. I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.